grilled chicken sandwich. Looks good. So I'm going to season the chicken with the Montreal chicken seasoning. Brioche bun. Mayonnaise. Pickles. Slice of tomato. Alright, chicken's looking good. I'm gonna grill the other side. So I decided I'm just gonna add a slice of cheese to the sandwich because, you know, why not? Alright, we're done grilling. Gonna move the chicken to the sandwich. This is what it looks like. Here we go. And here's the finished product. This is what it looks like. It looks delicious. Let's eat it. Alright, I'm starving. I need to eat. Worked all night. Chicken tastes good. Really good. Good stuff. Fresh vegetables, fresh brioche bun, fresh chicken. Can't go wrong. Look how nice this is. Beautiful. Really, really good. Five out of 5 chicken sandwich. Real easy to make. You can make this at home. If you don't have a grill, you don't have to. You know, you can pan fry the chicken. Real good and delicious. I gotta go finish this sandwich. It's delicious. 5 out of 5. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you in the next video.